So I've recently been sent the S1 series of Hytera radios. It's the first Hytera radios I've ever owned, and there are things I like, things that I don't like about it. This is the S1 Pro, but I'm not looking specifically at the radios today. I just want to look at the mobile app and how you program these, because it is pretty good. I've been really impressed by how simple and quick it is to change and program these radios to how you want them to be. Sometimes I do tend to say that I prefer my things not to be reliant on mobile apps, and pretty much that is the case for this. You can do all this stuff, most of this stuff, on the radio itself. And I don't know if there may be desktop software as well, but I think pretty much everything does push you towards the mobile app. So we are still in a world where if it's not supported on iOS anymore, I can be pretty stuck. They actually only advertise it as being available on Android, but there is a perfectly good Hytera Mobile app for iOS as well. So first of all, what I want to do is get these two talking. This is the Motorola DP1400, and this is programmed on a certain digital channel. I'm going to pick channel 3 in this case on this radio. So I need to know exactly what color code it's using and slot and stuff like that, just so we can program this to the same and get the two talking to each other, because right now I don't think channel 3 is set in the right way. If I'm going to just grab my scanner here, got this scanning on the DMR here. Okay, yeah, we've got the same. It's not allowing me to transmit on this because it's picking up so much interference in this room from the lights that it thinks the channel's in use. And I'm going to have to take the antenna off and do it, make sure I'm on low power.
High power, low power.
Going to have to do it without the antenna for a short time. No, it's still not letting me. There we go. All right, so we got DMR03, slot 1, color 7, fine. And it's 03125, yeah. So it's the correct frequency for channel 3. So we know that we're on color code 7, slot 1. So that's what we want to program this to. What are we on this at the moment? So I'm going to turn this one on.
3. Battery high.
So let's see whether this will transmit. Busy channel. So we get the same issue on here. The only difference is I can't. Okay. That's going to be a problem, actually, because I can't get this to... It just says busy channel. I can't get it to transmit, and I can't take this antenna off because these are PMR 446 radios. The antenna is fixed. Okay, so it seems to be completely hit and miss. I'm getting interference on this. And certain spots I can get it to transmit, so we'll give it a go. It seems if I'm holding it over here, it seems to work okay. So let's see what this is actually transmitting on at the moment. Right. So channel 3 is DMR11, slot 1, color code 1. So that's what we've got to change. And we can do that really, really simply. So we've got the radio on at the moment. Let me just zoom in a bit. All right, so I've got the Hytera radio app here on the phone. And because the radio's on, as soon as I go into that, it'll scan, and the Bluetooth's always enabled on here, so it'll just know that this radio is available. And it's right there at the top, straight away, picks it up, because it's a radio that's nearby and is on. It's as easy as that. So you can just connect to that radio just by tapping on it. The first time you connect, you've got to kind of just confirm something down the side by pressing, that button followed by that one, or some button combination just to get these to pair for the first time. And then you've got the stuff you can change here in the app on the radio. But the main thing we're interested in, we're not interested in these sort of general settings, sound settings and stuff. We're interested in the channel settings. So I can go into the channel settings. I've got my digital zones and I've got my digital channel. I've only got one zone set up on the radio. Don't want to do anything more complicated than that. So I'm just going to go into digital channel, and it's channel 3 that I want to change here. So go into that. And my receive frequency and transmit frequency need to be changed. Of course, they can be different, because if you're using a repeater, then you're going to have a potentially different transmit frequency to the receive frequency. Change the alias of the channel, and then we've got our contact ID, whether it's a group contact, and our color code, and all the standard digital stuff that allow the radios to communicate with each other. So all I want to do is go into my channels here, change this to 03125. And same for the transmit, 03125. And it's a group contact, that's correct. We're not doing a private contact here or anything. Color code, change that to 7. slot was slot 1, so that's the time slot, because of course DMR is split into two time slots per frequency to double capacity. And that is it. So I just tap done, and it just says update successful, and that's now written to the radio. Simple as that. That's all you have to do to edit a channel on these Hytera radios. It's really, really easy. And just to prove that that works, I can go out of that now. And these two should, if we can get this as a free channel, should talk to each other now. But it still says busy channel. Oh, God. Okay, I'm going to have to find a spot where it doesn't. Come on. There we go. Oh. All right, let's turn the scanner off because that's just confusing matters. And can I get this? No, busy channel. Let's try from the Motorola. No, that's busy there. I really was not expecting this problem. Okay. Let's just take the antenna off the Motorola temporarily. Bap, 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 bap. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. So these two are now happily talking to each other. Shouldn't use a radio without an antenna, but hey ho, needs must. Only for a very short time. And this radio is programmed. You can then copy that across to multiple other radios. You can clone radios and stuff like that. It's a really, really neat solution and so simple to use on the phone. Just the way these just connect. No cables, no clunky PC software. Can just do it in the field anytime really easily. Totally love that software by Hytera. It's a really good implementation of it. Best I've seen with radio stuff so far. So there we go. Quick video showing you how that works. Hope you enjoyed that. If you like these radios, let me know in the comments. I'll put some links to these, and you can support the channel by using those links if you wish. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.